How to create Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you are in your login page, you will see the option to either log in or create a new account. To sign up, tap on Create New Account button. After that, simply tap on Get Started and you will be prompted to write the first name and the last name. Once you have done that, simply tap on the Next button and you will be guided to a page where you need to set the date of your birth. Once you have set it, simply tap on the Next button. After that, you will be asked to choose your gender. You can select female, male, or other option if you preferred. Once you have selected your gender, tap Next. Now you will need to choose how you want to sign up, either with your mobile number or your email address. Enter the one you prefer and then tap Next. After that, you will be asked to create a password. So make sure it's something secure with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you have typed in, tap Next. After that, you simply need to tap on Save button and you will be guided to a page where you have to agree the Facebook terms and policy. You simply need to agree. After that, Facebook will now ask you to verify your account. If you have signed off your email, Facebook will send a verification code to your inbox, or if you have used your phone number, you will get a text with a code. Simply enter the code in the app to verify your account. Once you have done it, simply tap on the next button. You can skip the profile picture if you want to skip. And now you have successfully created your Facebook account. You can set up your profile, add the profile pictures, fill in your bio, or customize your settings. You can also connect with your friends by searching for them and importing the contacts. And that's it. You have created a Facebook account. You can start posting, connecting with your friends, join groups, and enjoy much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching.